This guide is about getting rid of the browser hijacker that is called Best Search PDF. Best Search PDF is a browser hijacker promoting the bestsearchpdf.com fake search engine. This rogue extension modifies browser settings in order to cause redirects to its web searcher. Best Search PDF likely spies on the customer's browsing activity as well. Due to the questionable methods used to distribute browser hijackers, they are also classified as potentially unwanted applications. So people will not install Best PDF or bestsearchpdf.com based on their own decision. Instead, this hijacker may be integrated with some free applications. So in most of the cases, people install it without their intention. And that's the reason why it is correctly classified as a potentially unwanted software. Now, once this Best Search PDF extension is installed into Google Chrome browser and people start submitting some search queries, they may soon notice that the results are no longer delivered by Google search, but rather by some other strange search engine, for instance by searchly.com, by Bing, or by Yahoo search. It's not the choice of people to use these third-party search engines, but no matter what search queries they submit, they get the results by some unfamiliar search providers. So if you are not happy with such amendments into the way your browser operates, we recommend you to get rid of this Best Search PDF hijacker. Getting rid of this hijacker is pretty simple. You may go to the menu of your browser, go to More Tools, choose Extensions, then disable and delete any extensions that you don't find to be familiar. Finally, I would recommend you to additionally examine your computer and its safety with the help of the program called Combo Cleaner. You may get it on the official page, combocleaner.com. Download the software and start examining your computer. After it downloads and installs the antivirus database, click on Start Combo Scan and the program will begin the analysis of your system. Then it will give you the full summary of threats and will show you their exact location on your computer. So this is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and at the end of scan you can see the full summary of all threats that were found on your Mac computer during the scan. You may go to the antivirus section and click on Review Results. This shows you the full number of threats, but when you click on Review Results you can see the names of these threats and their detection by the majority of security programs. And what's more important is that you may get the exact location of each specific threat. So you may go to this location of threat on your Mac computer and get rid of this threat one at a time, or you may consider upgrading to the premium version of Combo Cleaner in order to get your Mac fully protected against all further possible threats, adware, browser hijackers, and other sorts of malware from attacking your Mac computer.